With 80% of Americans overweight, you can imagine that I met a lot of people on my weight loss journey, from teenagers to seniors. Some needed to lose a few pounds, others were overweight, and some obese. I also met former lap band and gastric bypass patients who'd failed to achieve the promised surgical weight loss. Even doctors and medical professionals look to Equilibrium for personal weight loss support. Men and women alike were getting terrific results. Many had similar experiences to mine.
I have had more success overall and in the shorter amount of time on Equilibrium than I ever had with the lap band. In fact, I've lost more weight on Equilibrium ever just in 9 weeks than I did in the 2 years of having the lap band. Not to mention, well, that is big enough in my own mind, but you're getting results and you don't feel like you're deprived on Equilibrium like you do with the lap band.
The lap band to me has been, it gave me an initial drop in weight. I think the way the lap band has helped me personally is it's only allowed me to keep my weight off, but it's been difficult to have a consistent loss of weight with the lap band. So it controlled gaining it, but not very good at helping you lose. And where Equilibrium, the weight loss is so fast and healthy that you continue to be encouraged. Whereas the lap band, if you're losing a pound or 2 a week and you have 100 pounds to lose, you basically have to continue. You have to have that drive for a full year or 2 years, depending on your weight loss. Whereas with the Equilibrium program, you're losing it fast, and then all you have to do is take what you learned in the program and continue it so that you don't gain. So the losing, I